Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin gained 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session after rising as much as 1.9% during the session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Asian stocks were steady while U.S. equity futures dipped as traders awaited inflation data that may shape views on how aggressively the Federal Reserve will tighten monetary policy. Binance, the cryptocurrency exchange, is making a $200 million investment in Forbes less than 2 years after it sued the company for defamation. Currency market moves were small on expectations that the European Central Bank would be slower to hike, as policymakers have been less concerned about inflation.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's Consumer Price Index will be released at 0700 GMT. The UK's Gross Domestic Product at 0700 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The U.S. Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1500 GMT. Finland's current account at 0600 GMT. The U.S. Baker Hughes U.S. oil rig count at 1800 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.